Hello everyone, this is Harish Panchal, Managing Director of Allegro Global Private Limited. So this exhibition Pharma Pro and Pack is event which we have been participating from past almost 7-8 years, and this is one of the biggest event in South. So we feel like regularly participating because it's a big event. We have customers coming from all over India and also some of the countries like South Africa, Oman, Kuwait. We have customers and we have built a very strong relationship with them. Also, I would like to tell much about Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a big pharma hub which is happening out here. The big pharma companies out here like Arbindo, Dr. Reddy, Sri Krishna, MSN, all these companies we have been working. And I hope that this show becomes much more bigger, and we also participate our good machines and which can benefit the pharmaceutical industry in India. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best to everyone. Thank you.